Hi all, welcome to SEO Courage channel. Hope you all are fine. This video is about WebP Converter for Media plugin in WordPress. WebP is a next-gen image format. We will know about the benefits of WebP and how to install and use this plugin. Before starting this video, we request you to please subscribe to this channel for more SEO tips and updates in future. So let's start this video with knowing about WebP. WebP is a next-gen image format along with JPEG 2000 and JPEG XR, as you can see here. Google recommends to use these next-gen image formats. We will talk about WebP here, as this video is about WebP Converter for Media plugin. So the benefits of using WebP are superior compression and quality you can get with this format as compared to the older ones. And the second benefit is it loads faster and it overall improves your website's page load speed. And the third one is WebP images are 30% lighter than and smaller than JPG images. But there is one challenge in using WebP images, that is browser compatibility, because many browsers don't support this next-gen image format, but most of the browsers support it, so you can use it. Now let's know about WebP Converter for Media plugin, which is available in WordPress. We will go through the benefits of this plugin as well as how to install and use this plugin practically. First of all, we start with the benefits. The first benefit is this plugin automatically converts images in your website to the WebP format. The existing image URLs don't change if you use this plugin, and it's easy to change your existing images formats like JPEG, PNG or any older format to the next gen image format WebP. This plugin also automatically checks the browser compatibility and it provides the image format as per the browser. Like if the browser doesn't support the WebP format, then it will provide automatically the older version of the image. The biggest benefit of using this plugin is it's all free. All these benefits will be provided to you free. Now we are in WordPress platform and now we will know how to install and use this plugin. In the menu bar, you have to go to the plugin, add new section, you have to click. A new window will open like this. In the search box, just write WebP Converter and you will find this plugin like this. You can see this plugin has been used by more than 60,000 people and it has 5-star rating. So for installing this, you just have to click on this install button. And once it gets installed, then you have to click on the activate button. So this plugin has been installed and activated. Now you have to click on this speed up my website button. Then you will reach to this window and there are some default settings by this plugin. As you can see here, image loading mode, you have not to change it. It is via .htaccess recommended. Then there is list of supported files extension. Here we can add .gif if you have GIF files in your website. Then keep these default settings. And here you can see the image quality. It's already 85%. This is the quality of the images which will be shown in your website once it's converted to the WebP format. So we will keep it to 85% as recommended. No doubt if you choose the more percentages, the quality of the image will improve, but the space of the images will be more. So it's better to keep it as recommended. Then we move on to extra features settings. The recommended options have been already selected. You need to select this option as well, because in future whatever images you will upload, those will be immediately converted to WebP format. Then you have to click on this save changes button and you can see here changes were successfully saved by this plugin. Now whatever images you will upload in your website, those will be converted to WebP. But if you have already a website and plenty of images are there in old format, then there is an option here in the bottom to regenerate images. You just have to click here to force convert all images again. Once you click on this button, then all the existing images in older format will be converted to WebP. So once all the existing images convert to WebP using this regenerate images, then you will find a window like this. The savings of image space can be more because this is only an example website. So if your website has more images, then your savings will be more. So we hope you learned about WebP and this plugin in this video. If you liked this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe for this channel for more SEO tips and updates in future. Have a good day.